everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we are opening my Splendies subscription. So I'm super excited. This is only the second one I've ever received, and if you do not know what Splendies is, it's an underwear subscription. So something super convenient. We can all use a little refresh in our underwear drawer, I'm sure. But anyways, last month they got really cute pieces. They're really comfortable, really good material and everything like that. I'm loving them, so I can't wait to see what I got this month. So when I signed up, I used a deal to save 50%, and it was like supposed to be a June deal, but as of yesterday and today, I'll check right now before I post this, but it was working, so you could still use this code to get 50% off. So normally it is $14.99 a month, which I think is totally worth it, but with this deal you get 50% off, so it's like $7.99 or something like that. So save some money. It is super awesome. So I'll leave the link and that promo code down below, so hopefully it's still active when you're watching this. If you are interested in signing up. So yeah, $14.99, or if the code works, half off, so great deal. So it comes in a variety of sizes, so hopefully there is something for everyone. It goes into plus sizes as well, so I think they call it like the voluptuous, or let's see, what do they call it? Voluptuous. Okay, I don't know what I was saying. I was like trying to say Splendies and voluptuous in one, so that is awesome. So they fit up to a size 4X, so yeah, so I love how they are inclusive with their size range. And you can also pick to have like a surprise variety, so you can get a mixture of both like thongs and regular underwear. I get the surprise variety, or you can choose to get all thongs or all just regular panties. So last month I think I got 2 regular and 1 thong, so let's see what I got this month. So inside the mailer bag, everything is kept nice and neat and cute in this wrapping paper. This tissue paper is so pretty, I have to keep it. And then nicely folded up are my panties, and I can recognize one. I watched Southern Mom's video and we got one the same, I can see. I was wondering, like, so everyone doesn't get exactly the same, especially since like you choose different styles and stuff. So the first one I'm gonna show you, this is a thong, and this is like gray. Oh man, the material is so nice. There's a cute little bow, and here is the back. Is it gray or is it, yeah, I think it's gray. At first I was like, wait, is this like a light purple? So you can see there's like a lacy material on the sides. Yeah, it might be like a lighter purple. Am I colorblind? This material feels really nice, so let's read about it. So this is by Wilshire, Montana Intimates. And it says, for the lady who has it all, retail price of $12. So that's pretty much like, you know, the price, just a little bit less. Let's see what it's made of. It's 94% rayon and 6% spandex. Awesome. I think these are so cute and comfortable. I feel like they will be comfortable. All right, next up, actually we might have 2 of the same. I don't know. Here is a regular pair of panties. So I have a feeling like each month I'll get like 1 thong and 2 regular. I really like these. These are cute. I love like the baby blue. Yeah, I think Southern Mom did get these because she was talking about like North Carolina colors. I'm just like saying my thoughts out loud. But yeah, here is like the lace on top, which I think is so cute, and then the stripes. So yeah, these are adorable. So this is by the Splendies brand, and these have a retail price of $12. And let's see what these are made of. Feels so nice. So this is 94% cotton and 6% spandex. So cute, great for every day. And then the last pair, this is super cute. This is like floral, and it has like that lace detail on the side. I love everything floral. And again, this is $12. So everything is $36 and you pay less than half of that. So that is awesome. So yeah, again, by the Splendies brand. Oh yeah, this feels really nice. I love the colors of this too. So this is made out of 94% polyester and 6% spandex. So here's this one. I love the lace detail. It's probably my favorite part of these. And then again, we had this pair. They all feel so nice. I can't wait to use these. And then this one, gray / purple. This might be my favorite, or these. I mean, I like all of them. I think they're all so cute. I love the variety. Yeah, so you guys have to let me know, what is your favorite pair? And again, I will leave down below the link in that promo code, so hopefully it saved you some money. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing my underwear with me. I hope you are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!